Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Jonathan Javier, the CEO of Wansulting, and I'm going to talk about a very important topic today, and it has to do with LinkedIn. No, it does not have to do with LinkedIn networking. It has to do with LinkedIn's Easy Apply. Today I'm going to go over exactly the pros and cons of LinkedIn with Easy Apply. I'm actually going to go over what Easy Apply is and how you can utilize it to land interviews and hopefully jobs in 2021. Sound good? If you really love our videos, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and also click that notification bell because we want you to be informed when we post videos weekly so you can turn from an underdog into a winner. So what are the pros and cons of clicking Easy Apply? Well, as we spoke about before, it's very easy and efficient to use. You can use the same resume and cover letter for it. Probably submit hundreds of these. Hundreds of these times 2 for 2 minutes, take you 200 minutes to apply to 100 jobs. Awesome. But the cons is you're just being like everybody else, which is you're simply just applying. Now, why is that a bad thing? Well, let me explain. Let's say that you're going for a Facebook role as a product analyst and you simply click Easy Apply. Guess who else is doing Easy Apply? Everybody else. So let's say that you have 1,000 people apply to that product analyst role. You are one out of the 1,000. But let's say that you utilize Wansulting strategies to find the hiring managers and recruiter or the professional for that role, and you get referred or recommended instead. Who's doing that? Maybe a handful. You want to be in the handful rather than the 1,000. The reason why is because you want your resume to get looked at. You want your application to be seen. So I'm going to teach you exactly how you can get your application and resume seen so you're not just part of that 1,000. Now, what should you be doing instead of just simply Easy Apply? Well, there's two things. Number one, look at the Easy Apply job and there might be a job poster in that application. Now, where do you find that? If you look at the job position on LinkedIn, you'll see someone that says job poster. That is usually the recruiter or the hiring manager for the role. What I'd recommend is actually reaching out to them, expressing your interest in the role, but also showcasing the experiences you bring to the table. I actually had a past client do this from Wansulting, and she actually landed the job because she did that. The hiring manager actually overlooked her application, and when she reached out, they gave her an interview in 4 days. So check that out, the job poster. The second thing is searching the role that you are interested in on LinkedIn, filtering directly to the company you're interested in. Let's say we're going for that product analyst role at Facebook. Then go find everybody who's a product analyst at Facebook and try to connect with them. Find a common ground with them, whether it's your same university, organizations, even your same name. By building that rapport, you'll connect with individuals that, number one, have already been through the interview process so they can give you insights on what to put in your resume and your application to stand out. And number two, you could possibly get referred or recommended for the role and introduced to the hiring manager or recruiter. So definitely utilize that strategy. It's helped with thousands of different individuals through Wansulting. Now, is there a certain ratio that you should be easy applying versus actually utilizing those strategies? Yes. Let's say that it's a role you're not necessarily interested in. Well, you can simply just click Easy Apply. It will only take you about 2 to 3 minutes. You can utilize this to test the market. Are you applying to the right roles? Are you going to get callbacks? Can you use this for interview prep? Utilize that for Easy Apply if you're going to mass apply through that channel. But if it's your dream company, let's say that you're going for a Big Four, or let's say that you're going for a FAANG company, I'd highly recommend utilizing the Wansulting strategy we taught you right there by reaching out to the job poster and also people who are in those roles. By doing so, you can get an edge when you are going through the application process because the recruiter or hiring manager might see that you have a referral already. Or you might already know them because you've already networked so much that you've already built a rapport which has allowed you to become not only a qualified candidate, but build a relationship between you and that other person. So what I'd recommend is if you are simply going to Easy Apply to roles, those roles should be roles that you're not necessarily too passionate about. It's kind of the IDC mentality, which is, I don't care. But if it's going for roles that you are really interested in or passionate about, definitely utilize the networking strategies that we just taught you today. Thanks for taking time to watch. I really appreciate your time. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely click that thumbs up button and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you need help in your interviews, check these videos out. Comment below if you want the networking tracker that I personally utilize to network with thousands of different individuals. Just put your email below. Be sure to comment that and we'll send it your way. And let's get you a job this year and every year.